I mean, this is Canada. The Americans don't think we exist or whatever.
There's a reason that they chose the Institute, and that goes back to the diversity and expertise of each of the people.
It's always been an understated place in a way that is so different from the Americans.
The fact Grumman contacted the professors at UTIAS to deal with the Apollo 13 situation, I think is a real testimony to how high a regard the Institute was held at that time.
For Commander Lovell, could you elaborate on the role that two Canadians of the University of Toronto played in getting Apollo 13 back to Earth?
I have nothing to say about that. Jeff, do you know about these two? We must have missed it in our research. I'm sorry to hear about that.
They had a good job, though, those Canadians.
Yeah, they did a good job.